Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and in this video I'm talking about divs. Okay, I'm talking about divs, and div means division. Okay, div means division. So I can say divs are used for dividing your pages. Okay, it's a container element. Okay, because it can harbor other HTML elements or tags inside of it. Okay, but let's quickly make an example. Okay, so we have a div here. So I have opened our div. Okay, let's cancel this and write it again. So let's say we want to make a div. Let's say div. I want to say, you see, the div was opened, okay, and the div was what? Was closed. So it was opened and it was closed. So it is in between that our text will fall to, okay. So we can decide to say, welcome to TechiesReign Academy. Okay, you can decide to save that, and let's go to our browser, open a live server. So open a live server, and let's see what we have. Okay, good. So we have welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy. So this is a div, okay, and inside our div we have a normal text. Okay, we can decide to make it a p tag. I decide to add a p tag to it. Okay, I decide to add a p tag to it. So we'll save it, and then we'll come back to our browser, and you can see that we still have the same text, right? Good. So if you come back to our VS Code here, I want to change it to H1. Okay, and we save it. Okay, then we'll come back to our browser. You see it is bigger. Okay, so but the H1 is still operating inside or within our div. Okay, good. So let's look at it this way. Okay, let's so you know our div is open here and our div is closed here, right? Good. So and we have our H1 in between. So let's say we want to add a paragraph inside of that, and we'll do it this way. I'll say the best tech school in Ibadan, and we'll decide to save it, and we'll come back to our browser here. Can you see now? So now let's say we want to center this, and we'll just come here. We want to use our inline styling. Okay, remember we spoke about inline styling in one of our videos. Okay, so we decided to say style, okay, equals to, then we'll now begin to, the style is our attributes. Okay, then we'll now want to declare our property and value. Okay, so we'll now say text align to be center. Okay, and then we save it and come back here. Can you see that it has been centered? Okay, good. So we can decide to use our inline styling to make it look like this. We can decide to add a color to it and just say our color, okay, will be red. Okay, and then we save it, and by the time we come back here, can you see it is red already? Okay, good. So now we can decide to also